Acceptance.
Nice. Nice.
That's sensitive. All right. So yeah, hi. I'm Dennis. I've been here in January, and if you maybe remember, some people are new here. I used to make like a kind of like platformer space game, and I was struggling like for a long time what to do with it. And one problem that I had with it is just basically I didn't have like a reachable goal for it. I didn't know what to do with it. It was something like vague, you know, like a cloud, and just like a cloud, like it always changed the shape and hard to capture. And I wanted to actually, you know, do something more solid, something where I can see, hey, I could potentially finish this and make a game out of this that I will actually release. And so now, for this year, I have set myself a goal. Okay, I want to make like this third-person shooter idea that I had floating around in my mind for a long time now. And I did some work for that in January. Some of you might have saw it. This is the latest build. So inspiration is I want it to be like a very like arcadey kind of like Star Fox-esque shooter, just on foot. And it's a little bit loud. So yeah, kind of like this. And so what I have implemented so far is I don't want it to be like a hardcore like cover shooter where you have to precisely aim and stuff. As you can see, they kind of like the character is kind of aiming for you a little bit. When I activate the debug, you can see like you have like a big trace that is scanning like the area around your crosshair, and if an enemy like overlaps to this area, the character will automatically aim, you know, to the enemy. And I have like set it as a variable. I can later maybe, you know, maybe there are going to be like other like difficult choices where the auto aiming is going to be a little bit reduced, but I still want to have it always like to some degree. God damn it, this is lagging hard. Yeah. So currently my plan is for like the 2 months that I'm going to stay here at Spelkollektivet is I want to have like a working prototype where I like experiment with like a lot of different weaponry, like just generally gameplay mechanics. So here that's my handle, I'm on Select, and I'm on Itch and Game Jolt, where from now on every Friday I will upload a new build and you can play it and you can give feedback. I want this game to be something that I develop together with like a community, and if you have like some kind of like ideas for weapons designs or whatever, like I love to hear them. So far that's all like my work so far, that I'm trying to think of like modular game design where I can then easily change variables and create like different mechanics. So for the shooting, for example, this is like your basic gun that you start out with, and you can like charge it, and like for like a couple of while just charge shot does more damage, for example. Or what I can do is I can increase like the fire rate of the gun. So now it shoots faster, but well, doesn't matter. This is lagging. And for example, you can also like set down the fire rate very low, but increase like the number of bullets that you shoot. Now you have like something like a shotgun. Yeah, and another thing that I experimented with, because I used to be like a big fan of like offline multiplayer. Like me and my friends, we used to play a lot during like the GameCube days and Nintendo 64, like split screen, like shooting each other. Like, even though like shooter games are like by far the most popular genre in gaming, like everybody has ditched that. Even like I think like Halo 5 even they got rid of like split screen multiplayer, which I really hate. So I wanted to do it for my game as well. So the goal that I aim at is not only like releasing a single player experience of like something like between 3 to 4 hours, but also like having like a offline multiplayer that maybe if the game is going to be successful and people actually give a shit about it, I will maybe then for the next step make an online multiplayer then. but I would need a team for that because I don't know anything about networking. But the offline multiplayer is very easy. You have only to press one button.
Oh my god, you killed him.
Right? There you go.
Yeah. So you just need to connect 4 controllers and you could play against each other now. Very easy. So yeah.